Hello friends, welcome to my channel Venus Tech Pulse. Today I am going to discuss about Python and our chapter is Controlflow. Yes, Python it is always a object oriented language, and we are going to discuss about the control flow structure. Control flow structure is divided into three parts. Today we will discuss about the first part, that is conditional statement. The other two parts are transfer statements and iterative statements. So the first part is conditional statement and how to write the condition, that if condition is true then the statement will occur or the statement will continue, or if the second if condition will the true, then statement 1, 2, 3 whatever the statement is there it will execute. If condition is true, then the statement will be executed. If condition is true, then the statement will execute it. If there is one statement, there is another if condition example, if condition, and there are three statements. If the condition is true, then all the three statements will be executed. That means if the condition is true, then the statement will be executed, otherwise not. And we will give you the example, that is name is equal to input, enter name. If name is equal to Sachin, Sachin, favorite player, world best batsman. So if name is equal to Sachin, print hello Sachin, good morning. And also there is another statement, that is a print statement, how are you Sachin, or how are you. So the output, if we run the program, and then the output will be enter the name Sachin, hello Sachin, good morning, how are you. But if we give the name as Ravi, then hello Ravi, good morning will not be printed, because the name is Ravi. The name is Ravi, and the statement is associated, print statement hello Sachin is associated with only Sachin. The only statement will execute, that is how are you. So conditional statement, first part is if condition. First part is if condition. First part is if condition. Now the second phase, that is second part, if else. If condition, if the condition is true, then statement 1 will be executed. If the condition is false, then it will move to the else part, and the statement in the else part will be executed. If the condition is true, then statement 1 will be executed, otherwise statement 2 will be executed. So our example is name is equal to input, enter your name. If name is equal to Sachin, print hello Sachin, good morning. Otherwise it will move to the else block, else part or else block, and it will print hello friend, good morning, print how are you. There are two statements in else part. If the first condition is true, then only one statement will be executed, otherwise the else part will be executed. Now see the example and its output. See, enter name, that is Sachin, and we print hello Sachin, good morning, how are you. Because if name is equal to Sachin, in the condition we already mentioned it. Suppose we enter the name Sourav, S-O-U-R-A-V, Sourav, then the if condition is not true, it will move the block to the next else block. Then how are you? Then how are you will be printed. Okay. Our next example is if, elif, else. That means if condition 1 is true, then statement 1 will be executed. Otherwise it will move to the elif block. Condition true will be first executed. If the condition true is true, then statement 2 will be executed. If not, then it will move to the elif condition 3. If condition 3 is true, then the statement 3 will be executed. Elif condition 4. As long as the condition is there, if any condition will be true, then only it will print the statement of that condition, but that elif condition. And if all the elif and if is false, then it will move to the else, that is default statement part. So based condition, the corresponding action will be executed. Suppose B is equal to input, enter your favorite brand. If B is equal to double inverted comma CB, print it is a children brand. Elif B is equal to double inverted comma KF, it is not much kick. Elif B is equal to KO, print buy one get one free, or else it will print other brands are recommended. So if we enter CB, then it is children's brand. Good. Next, if we enter KF, then it is denoted as it is not much kick. If we enter favorite brand Cosmos, that is it is not in elif or if statement, it is the else part will be executed. Other brands are recommended. So friends, in Controlflow we have already discussed the conditional statements that are if elif and if elif else. These 3 points are in conditional statement. And in our next video I will discuss transfer statement. Okay, transfer statement along with some example of conditional statement. So for today it is enough, and I will join you again. I will meet you again in the next video. Till then, goodbye.